Welcome to Baz Travels.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Stepping onto G Street Northwest, you're walking through one of the most historic significant commercial veins in Washington. This street has seen the city transform from the dusty 19th century town into a modern global capital. As you head towards the northwest, the environment begins to shift once again. If F Street is the city's historic main street, then G Street is its more modern corporate cousin. The architecture here is a fascinating mix of eras: grand, turn-of-the-century department store buildings with ornate terra-cotta details stand side by side with sleek, glass-fronted offices that reflect the clouds and the monuments. As you walk, look up at the facades. You'll see the echoes of the city's retail golden age. Buildings like the old Woodward and Lothrop flagship remind us of a time when this was the heart of the capital's social life. But as you move closer to 13th and 14th Street, the energy becomes more focused on the business of the day. This is the K Street adjacent world, a landscape of law firms, think tanks, and international organizations. The sidewalks are wider here, designed for the frantic pace of the DC workweek. Yet the streets still maintain a sense of human scale that makes it perfect for a steady rhythmic walk. The destination ahead is Franklin Park, and as you approach it, the dense urban canyon begins to open up. This park is one of the oldest in the city, established in 1830s, and it served as a vital green lung for the downtown district. For a long time, it was a space that felt a bit worn down by the city around it, but a recent massive renovation has transformed it into a world-class urban sanctuary. As you cross the street and step onto the park's winding paths, the sound of traffic suddenly feels buffered by a canyon of ancient oaks and elms. The centerpiece of the park is a magnificent fountain, which acts as a focal point for the entire neighborhood. The design of the new Franklin Park is a masterclass in modern landscape architecture. It features a great central plaza, a sophisticated lighting system, and a lush children's play area, all integrated into a historic framework. It is the city's living room, a place where the diverse threads of Washington life come together. You'll see bike couriers taking a break, office workers eating lunch on the granite tiers, and families enjoying the open grass. Standing in the center of Franklin Park, you're surrounded by the architecture of power. To one side is the historic Franklin School, a stunning Victorian masterpiece where Alexander Graham Bell sent the first wireless telephone message. To the other are the soaring office towers of the 14th Street corridor. The park acts as a neutral ground, a place where the rigid lines of the city are softened by the curves of the landscape. This walk from G Street to the park is a journey from the hustle of commerce to the tranquility of community. It proves that even in a city as formal and structured as Washington, there is always room for a breath of fresh air. Franklin Park isn't just a patch of grass, it's a vital intersection of the city's past and its future, offering a moment of pause before we dive back into the vibrant energy of the capital.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.